Hey guys, Shark here with Krampus. So, yeah, hopefully we can get a win for you guys duos. I'm tired. What is this, like, our 5th grade game on? Bro, wait, hold on, it won't let me jump. What the heck? Yeah. How do you know it's fake? Oh, because he just died. Oh, yeah, that's true. Okay. I have normal impulses and nades and sniper. I'm dropping impulses. Okay, I'll pick up the nades. I dropped my impulses. Okay, I'll get them. Medkit, I'll carry. Purple AR for you if you want. I can. Yeah, I can. Yeah, I see. Nice. I still need an SMG or what's it called, shotgun. I can't carry it for too long, but I can for now. Take this instead of the medkit, because I already have max stack medkit. Alright, run.
I'm gonna take the Horrids.
Bro! That's toxic!
Well, I was trying to get next to you. Oh, there's a pool. There was a pool.
Oh, is it really? Wow. That's toxic. Here's it. You can take a medkit. I have, minis. That's 30, by the way.
I know. Ooh, let's go. I found another sniper.
Let's go. Here's a kid. Thumbs up anymore, dude. You're finna die. Oh, kids behind us too. Ayo. Oh, yo, I hit him with that. Let's go. I'm insane. Yeah, peach afro. No shield. I got good gun. Yeah. No, I got the other one. Or knocked one of them. With, nade. Okay, I got him. Oh, wait, that's a kid. That's not you. Right. I'm dead to this kid. He's not good. Nice. I needed his friend. Can you res?
Yeah, I tagged this one.
And then I
finish.
I already have medkit. Dude, I'm insane.
You saw that nade snipe?
Dude, I needed 2 of them too. It's funny.
No, I naded him, sniped him, and...
UMP, okay. I have gold UMP now, so that's good. That's my SMG now. I have one before, so that's good. Oh, kids. Yeah, we did. Knocked one.
Oh, the other one's alive. Got it. There's other kids.
On supply drop.
Oh, no.
I see.
I can take them.
Come supply drop. I'm opening. I'm halfway. It's open. Kid on me. Tagged him twice. Oh, it's Libra for sure. Not fake. I got him.
Oh, let's go.
Alright, 5.
See.
Yo, kinda go to 10 kills. Yes, sir. Alright, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hold on, I'll tell you after. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good day, and bye.